Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're starting the project of building the chicken coop for the lamb that I cleared out back. I have zero plans for this besides just a small cut list that I'm making on the fly. Today's task is to complete the platform. I know we're gonna have it up off the ground about 2 feet. And I know I want it 4 feet by 6 feet overall. That's what I'm planning on doing today. If you want to follow along, click the subscribe button so you get notified when I post more videos. Let's get into it. After thinking about it for a little bit, I have a small cut list that I'm going to be working from. The first thing is 2x4s cut to 45 inches. I need 6 of those, and then a 2x4 cut, 2 2x4s cut to 6 feet. That'll be the outside. So that's what we're going to do now. First up, we'll cut the 2 6-foot pieces. I'm not trying to look cool with the belt. I lose things a lot, so it makes sense to put everything here. Also, make sure when you're doing this to wear ear and eye protection. We're going to save these 2 for later on. Now I need 6 at 45. In an attempt to keep things square, I'm going to clamp this middle board down. That way it doesn't move when I hit it. Because I'm going to put nails, I'm not doing screws for this project. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay out the 16 on center for the supports. Now I'm going to take these supports and nail them in. Just like that, the platform's done. The platform framing is done, not the platform. I still want to put in 4x4 posts, the 2 feet, get it up off the ground 2 feet, and plywood sheeting. Here I have a 4x4x8 pressure treated 4x4, and I'm going to cut this into 4 24-inch legs for the corners. For these legs, I am going to use 4-inch deck screws just because this is pressure treated. I'm also going to put nails in as well and supports to go here on both sides. So this is just for now. It's only temporary if it doesn't work. I don't know. The supports might not be necessary. Last one. I need 2, and I only have 1. Luckily, I have a couple 2.5-inch. Okay, let's flip this thing over and see what it looks like. I have to set this up back here because my floor is tapered into the middle. There's a drain hole there. So anything I ever build goes back here. This is the most level spot in the entire shop. And there is absolutely zero wiggle. There you go. Let's see if I can get on top of this. This is probably a bad idea. It does hold my weight like this. So I am going to put a 4x8, well, it'll be 4x6 when I'm done, sheet of plywood here. And then I think on top of that, I'm going to put some linoleum just to make cleaning out the chicken coop a little easier. I think this is going to be the front facing the run. The door, the clean out door or man door is going to be this side. Back here is where I'm going to have 3 nesting boxes with windows in the front, vents on the side to allow for air circulation, and then they'll go out the front, I believe. Again, I have zero plans for this. I've been looking at things online, but you can go down a rabbit hole online. That was close. You can go down a rabbit hole online with ideas. I feel like the best thing is just to start and adjust accordingly. All right, let's get the plywood on. While I was filming yesterday, I realized I didn't have any plywood here, so I had to run out. We had a couple of errands to run yesterday, so it's a new day, and it's actually 29 degrees outside. Cold snaps come through, and the temperature just plummeted. So I started a fire earlier this morning just to get things going and get the shop heated up. And it's currently 60 degrees in here thanks to the wood stove. I gotta throw some more logs on it and then we'll get to work. Right, let's see how we're doing here. Oh, that's good. I'll put some more logs on there. Now that we got the platform nailed down, let's flip this over and see how many nails missed the stud. I don't see any misses there. Oh, there's one. That's all right. There's another one that's kind of bulging, but didn't miss. I don't see any other ones. Not too shabby. I think I'm gonna end the video here. The goal of today was to get the platform done, and the platform is 80% of the way there. There are some supports that I want to put on. I plan on doing this in installments. I can make a series out of this. If you want to follow along, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. That way, when I do post either a short or a full-length video, you'll get notified and you can follow along if that's what you're doing. I want to thank you for clicking on this video, and hopefully by spring, we'll have some chickens in this coop. I'll see you in the Oaks.